I wasn't home when USCIS got there. Hi, I'm Jim Hacking, immigration lawyer practicing law throughout the United States at our offices in St. Louis, Missouri, San Diego, and Washington, D.C. Today's video, we're talking about site visits when USCIS comes a-knockin'. Your house better be a-rockin'. What do I mean by that? Well, USCIS likes to come visit people who have applied for a green card, and they like to come early in the morning. Now, they can come anytime, day or night, but usually they come in the morning because they want to see if you and your spouse are both home in bed early in the morning, getting ready for work, that kind of thing. And then once they knock on the door, they like to come in and look around. They like to see that both of you are living there. They like to see the living arrangements. They like to see the sleeping arrangements. And they do have that right to come knock on your door. Now, you don't have to let them in, but that's going to be really problematic for your case. But what I want to talk about is what happens if USCIS comes a-knockin' and you're not home. And you'd be surprised how often this actually comes up. We get calls frequently from clients or from potential clients who had USCIS show up unexpectedly. They weren't anticipating USCIS showing up, and lo and behold, there they are. We've received calls where the green card holder was out of town. We've received calls where the petitioner's been out of town, the U.S. citizen, whoever. We've seen it both ways, where either the applicant or the petitioner are out of town. And we've also seen situations where there's no evidence that two people live there. That, of course, is the big problem. When you let them in and you have no clothes there, no toiletries there, no evidence at all that you are living there. This is a big, big problem. So if USCIS comes a-knockin' and you're not home, that's really going to make them excited about finding fraud in your case. That's going to sort of set them off in a new direction. We've had plenty of cases, especially cases in which we filed a lawsuit, where they come a-knockin' and both people are home, and that's like the last piece of the puzzle. I do think that a significant number of green card cases that are delayed because the officer or the fraud unit has not had the opportunity to come out a-knockin' on your front door. And so this is a really important piece of the case. You have to anticipate it. You have to be ready for it. Now, if you're not there, sometimes USCIS will actually call you and say, hey, where are you? I'm here with your spouse and you're not here. This is the address you listed on your forms, but I don't see you anywhere around here. And we've had people who have successfully explained that away, have explained to the officer's satisfaction as to where they are and why they are not home. They might be on the road because they're an over-the-road truck driver, or they might be at an early morning job, or they might be running errands. But the story has to be believable, and the story has to make sense. And we've had officers ask people to sort of verify where they're at by taking pictures with their phone and those kinds of things. So it is a really big deal if USCIS knocks on your front door and you're not home. So you need to anticipate it, you need to be ready for it, and you especially need to be ready for it if you're going to sue USCIS. That's something that they do frequently after we sue them. If you have questions about this, or if you're worried that an interview at your house has not gone well, feel free to give us a call at 314-961-8200. Email us, info@hackinglawpractice.com. Be sure to join us on our Facebook group, which is called Immigrant Home. If you like this video, we ask that you please share it out on social, that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and that you join us in January. We're going live every single day, all 31 days, for at least 31 minutes. We've been going about 45, 50 minutes each day, and we've been getting a lot of great feedback. So feel free to join us, and hopefully we can answer your immigration questions. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.